In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to composite an overlay on a background with a merge node and render the final output. We'll walk through a clean, reliable workflow you can use in any node-based compositor. By the end, you'll have a finished render with your graphic or keyed footage placed neatly over a background plate. Start by importing your background plate. This is the foundation of the shot, so make sure it's the correct resolution, frame rate, and color space for your project. If you're using a sequence, confirm the files are numbered correctly and that the software reads the full range. It's also a good idea to check that the plate isn't accidentally pre-multiplied. You want it as your solid base. Next, import your overlay element. This could be text, keyed footage, or a graphic with transparency. Ideally, it should include an alpha channel so the transparent areas remain invisible. If you're bringing in keyed footage, verify that the key is clean and the edges look natural. For text or graphics, high-resolution assets will help avoid soft or jagged edges when scaled. Now add a merge node. Think of the merge as the compositor that combines your elements. Connect the background to the B input and the overlay to the A input. In most tools, A is the foreground and B is the background, so this keeps everything organized and predictable. Set the merge operation to over. The over operation places the A input on top of the B input using the alpha from your overlay, which is exactly what we want for a standard composite. If something looks inverted or cut out, double check that your inputs aren't swapped and that the overlay's alpha is behaving as expected. Preview the result in your viewer. Look for clean edges, correct positioning, and proper color balance between the overlay and the background. If your overlay has built-in controls for position, scale, or opacity, you can refine those to help it sit naturally in the shot. When you're happy with the composite, add a write node. Connect it to the output of the merge so you're rendering the final combined image. Choose your output format, .mov or .mp4 for a single video file, XR or a .png sequence for image sequences, which are great for high quality and re-render safety. Set your file path to a clearly named folder, confirm the desired codec or bit depth, and check the frame range. Finally, render the shot and review the output to ensure it matches what you saw in